welcome back to the channel, man. So man, you guys know just the other day I reacted to Lynyrd Skynyrd for the first time, which was on my live stream, and that's where the clip came from, and I uploaded it on my channel. So with that being said, since it was my first time listening, I had a bunch of people come over to my channel and tell me like other songs to check out. So in case you guys like are new to the channel, whatever, this is my reaction right here. I will put it up in the annotation box right over here. That way you guys can go check out the first tracks that I did to the Ballad of Curtis Low Ill. Something like that, I'm not too sure. So with that being said, I had multiple people in the comments tell me to check out this song right here called Freebird. I also had like a supporter, or I don't even know if they're a supporter or not, DM me on Instagram, name was Dalton, so shout out to you, Dalton, and they told me that Freebird was a vibe. So with that being said, man, we are here to check this thing out here today. One thing I do want to point out though, this thing is 9 minutes long. Now I ain't never heard no 9-minute long song. Matter of fact, I did recently. It was the Taylor Swift All Too Well 10-minute version. But other than that though, you don't see too many long songs like this. Like probably the longest song you'll ever hear is about like 6 minutes. And that's Taylor Swift as well, you know what I'm saying? Taylor Swift made long songs because she got a lot to say on that mic though. Let's be real here. So with that being said, man, we are finna go ahead and get straight into the song right here, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, man, hey, consider hitting the subscribe button down below. I know we're to 15,000 subscribers. Other than that though, hey, let's check it out, bro. The bass guitar up in there, sound like he got the electric for sure up in there. Sound like he got some acoustic up in there as well, bro. But it all sound really nice. Now this song give me vibes of like traveling. You know what I'm saying? Like if I'm traveling, this song would hit especially hard if I'm on some type of bridge, like a real long big bridge, and you looking down over the water. Like why you driving over it? And you playing some Lynyrd Skynyrd. No. Pronounce Lynyrd Skynyrd. No, bro, that's nerd. But I got the line. Dang it. See, I ain't no English major or nothing like that. So Lynyrd. Okay, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Lynyrd Skynyrd. Lynyrd Skynyrd. So whenever you travel over that bridge, bro, you turn on some Lynyrd Skynyrd. You know what I'm saying? That song gonna hit especially hard. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually liking it though, for sure. It's a vibe. It's a vibe song though. Like it's on the slower side, not too slow, but it's like vibed out. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Turn that junk up, ain't it? And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. took you on like this. So the way I look at music, right? If you take me on a certain path of a beat and you switch off to turn it up and you bring it back, bro, I feel like you went on this back alleyway. So like, let's say you got a main road that go to your house, right? But if you want to make the ride longer or something like that, you want to try something different, you will take that back road, right? So this is what this is kind of implying. Is like, boom, he took you on this slower beat, he started to turn it up, so he went on this back road a little bit, then he brought you back. That's fire, Lynyrd Skynyrd. You know what I'm saying? That's fire. So this song is pretty much like about him breaking up. You know what I'm saying? And the song's called Freebird, right? So when he's saying like he was with this girl, now that they done, he's free to do whatever he wants to, and he's calling himself a bird in the process, so he's a free bird. At least that's what I feel like. But the way he delivers, man, is just pretty nice. Okay? You know what I'm saying? You got me turned up over here. Now I don't listen to music like this on the daily. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know, what is this? Like, you don't call this, is it country? I'm not too sure. But the only like country I listen to is like that Jason Aldean, When the Lights Come On. Yeah, bro. Like that tip, bro. That song is fire. You know what I'm saying? With the hallelujah high, got everybody singing. Bro, Jason Aldean, bro. Jason Aldean is very swift with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But I don't really listen to like this type of music, but hey, I enjoy it though. Like, it tells you a story and it's different from the rap scenario. It really is. So you gotta love it for sure. As a bird now. And this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, oh shoot! Yeah, turn that thing up, my boy. Turn it up. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly free bird, yeah. Yeah, bro, it's hard. It's hard. doing, boy? But this, I like this. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. They going, bro. I'm so sorry to pause that, but bro, they're going insane on this jump, bro. And if you guys ever play Guitar Hero back in the day, Guitar Hero, you got to remember that, bro. This song right here probably had notes like crazy. I'm talking about like the buttons were probably like like all over the place, bro. Like if you ever played Guitar Hero, then you know what the deal was. But I know for sure that this song was probably on an expert difficulty. Hands down, bro. But I'm really liking how they just going insane on that electric, bro. It's something about that electric that hold a special place, bro. The electric guitar is fired, man. It sound really good. He turning that thing up, man. How am I bobbing my head this long? Bro, they pop for sure. My bro. Bro, I gotta see that live, bro. That's one thing we gotta do. I gotta see this live, bro. Bro, the whole time, like, I ain't know I was gonna be bobbing my head this long, bro. But the energy was there, bro. The energy was there for sure. That's insane, bro. Lynyrd Skynyrd, bro. I think I'm saying that right. Please do not be... Comments turned off. Why they turned off the comments on this, man? Regardless of the point, though, bro, this is actually fire. You know what I'm saying? The electric, you know what I'm saying, was really getting to me up in that, bro. The fact he was going, like, on back alleyways with the beat, bringing it back, and then the fact he switched that thing over, like, halfway through, bro. That was some fire. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't expecting it, but he started turning it up. And it was like the last like 3 minutes of the song, it's just him going truly insane on an electric guitar. Now I know like when it's live, I know the crowd goes crazy. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, my next reaction to Lynyrd Skynyrd, I hope I'm saying that right, it's going to be a live version to this song right here, bro, because I got to see what this contains. Like, it's mandatory at this point. You know what I'm saying? I really want to see him go insane on the guitar. And since I want to see that happen, bro, I'm going to make that happen. I'm going to make that happen. Like I was doing in this video today, But you guys gotta come back to the channel so that way you guys can see me reacting to him do that live, man. You know, man, yeah, I'm finna get up out of here, man. But if you guys did enjoy the reaction, man, make sure you guys hit the like button down below. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below as well. On the way to 15,000 subscribers. Hey, it's people call a carrot, can't about this thing. Peace out. Love you guys.